Here's a drawing lesson that's going to make all your art a lot better. So what is the difference between these two Venoms? Can you tell? You can pause this and write your guess in the comment section. The answer is the silhouette. Having a strong silhouette is incredibly important. The difference is within the arms. Placing these empty negative spaces are going to have a really big effect on the overall silhouette of your character. This creates an overall much more interesting silhouette and shape. It creates a stronger stance for the form, and the overall pose is just a lot better. This particular pose is a little bit less dynamic. It's a little bit closed in, and there's generally less flow around the musculature of the character. So let me show you more carefully. We're going to shrink these characters right here, and then we're going to put them right next to each other so you can see what I'm talking about. It's a cool negative space with a symbol, but as far as within the arms look attached. The Venom in blue has way better form when you see it in this shape. This is something when you show a viewer, they tend to like shapes like on the left a little bit more than on the shapes on the right, but they can't identify why. These separations help the viewer understand what's happening at a moment's glance. This also creates a much more ready stance position when it comes to Venom. He looks ready to attack, he looks ready to pounce, while this particular Venom doesn't really look like he's doing that. He looks like he's more at ease and he's resting, like he's just standing there. There's a purpose in place for each of these poses, but for more dynamic, more ready stance, the blue Venom is much better. What I want you to do is I want you to grab any character that you're doing right now, do the exact same exercise. I want you to put them all in black and see what their silhouette looks like. One of the marks of a great character design is having your character easily identified by just their silhouette. In that same way, we want our character's action to be easily identified as well by their silhouette. To simplify these forms, this simple form on the left representing the blue Venom has more going on. It is just more interesting than the circle on the right. There's also much more direction in the left pose because of the back arm. Take a drawing that you have and try this method. Put a black layer over it and see if you can identify what your character is doing. You can use this as a reference. If you want, you can screenshot this, or if you'd like, you can follow for more art tips. Reference the dynamic to the stagnant. Comment if you want to go over any specific drawing method, and I will talk to you a lot more in the next video. Don't forget, share the video, and I'll see you very soon. See ya.